Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning to you. This is your Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, bringing another quote to try and help kickstart your day. And here are those words of wisdom. Okay, Monday, let's do this. Come on, Monday, let's be having you then. Maybe you had a great chill out over the weekend and now you got yourself ready for a brand new fresh week to attack and make some progress in. Get yourself out of bed and ready to take on that day, and then, of course, whatever challenges, it's ready to throw your way.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.